I've been on a Mr. Beast binge for the past 7 days, and I've learned some amazing marketing lessons from the king of online challenges. Are you ready to level up your marketing game? Let's go. Lesson number 1, creativity is key. Mr. Beast always pushes the limits and tries new things, which sets him apart from the competition. Lesson number 2, know your audience. Mr. Beast knows what his audience loves, and he gives them exactly that. So it keeps them coming back for more, and it keeps them engaged. Lesson number 3, collaborate with others. Mr. Beast partners with other creators and brands to reach new audiences and maximize his impact. Lesson number 4, timing is everything. Mr. Beast knows how to time his challenges and stunts to make the biggest impact and maximize viral potential. Lesson number 5, give back to your audience. Mr. Beast knows how to build loyalty by giving back to his audience, whether it's through big prizes or just entertaining content. So there you have it, the top lessons learned from Mr. Beast. Put these into action and watch your marketing soar.